is peace. Peace. Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome back. It's me, Bakisa, to the Canva Cafe, and this I think is day number 5 of Canvamas. And I'm just going to show you a quick tip on how to blend those photos in. If you ever wondered how everybody blends the edges in, this is how we do it. Whatever your photo is, you just remove the background and place your photo wherever you want to on your image. Not on your image, on your background. Now you search blur, and there's several blurs that you can choose from. Today we're just going to use the circle one, the first one that we find. And ordinarily you could find one that allows you to change colors, but this one doesn't allow you to manually change the colors. So here's a tip. All you have to do is hit edit photos and search the duotones. I feel like I'm talking so loud. And then once you find the duotone, you can choose whatever color you like. So if whatever color matches your background, that's what you would choose. But you can do a custom color. So what I do is make sure both colors are the same color as the background. Child, that's somebody walking past the door. And you could also customize your colors by using the little dotted by using the little ink dropper and hover over what you want to hover over to get everything to be an exact match. Or you could just slide the color wheel over. So now once we've got the color we want, we place it just on and off whatever the image is, and then we'll duplicate it and put it right just enough just to cover and blur the edges. And you'll do that as many times as you need to. If you need more coverage, you can just place another blur on top of it. You can also use a different shape blur if you just wanted, if the edges of like where their shoulders and arms didn't need to be blurred out and you just want to do the bottom half, you could use a straight one of those rectangle blurs on the side and change the colors. So that's how you do that, and you can just watch as I finish making this little cute holiday Instagram flyer. Just something cute and simple. And if you are enjoying Canvamas, please give me a thumbs up and drop down in the comments and let me know if you think I'm gonna make it every day. I have to go to work in the morning and I work today, so tomorrow I may not drop one because I'm working a double shift and I did not plan and prepare. I am so sorry, but on my next day off I'll just do 2. So let me know whatever you want to let me know. I'm just talking because I'm tired and delirious right about now. Love y'all. Bye. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.
All I want for Christmas is peace. Peace. Yeah.